in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. What's going on, YouTube? Back with Tap back in with another vlog. I appreciate y'all rocking out me for another one. Look, before we jump into this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Go crazy on that thumbs up button. It's about to be a cool little video today. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm about to go pick up those brass monkey wheels that I dropped off in the last one and get repaired. Y'all see we scooped them up. Crazy still. They had some curb rash on them. They was beat up. So I dropped them off at the rim shop up the street to get repaired. Able to bang them out. They ready right now. So I'm about to go pick those up. I'm super tired right now, y'all. It's been my first week selling on Amazon. So stay tuned for that video too. I'm also gonna let y'all know some tips and how to get started in selling on Amazon. I'm gonna show you how much I made my first week. I got some orders to go ship out today actually. So I'm gonna go ship them out. But y'all, I'm super tired right now, so that's the reason. But stay tuned for the video on me giving y'all the tutorial on how to sell on Amazon and turn up. Looking like, dang, bro, it don't seem like you all the way there. I'm super tired. I shipped out at least 40 orders probably in the past week. So, yo, I'm there right now. But we about to go pick up these rims. I'm about to go get these put on. I don't got none of the tools here at the spot, so I'm going to see if I can just pay somewhere to get them put on real quick instead of having to go buy the jack, buy everything I need to take the wheels off. Ain't no telling though, y'all. Stay tuned. If y'all didn't see the last video, these are the rims that I picked up for the Daytona right here. Brass monkey wheels straight off of Hellcat. They in great condition. Y'all see the tires basically brand new. I'm gonna try to get the camera to focus. Still got the rubbers on the tires. Ain't even gonna lie to you, the tread is super beefy. The wheels is in great condition. 2 of them had curb rash. I dropped them off to get fixed, and then we about to go see the results right now. These are pretty dirty. I gotta clean them up. Aluminum wheels with a brass finish on them, so they super sweet, exclusive to Hellcats. So let me know what y'all think, comment down below. We about to get these on a Daytona. I'm in the car right now. I'm about to pull up and grab these 2 wheels. The week really catching up with me. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Shipping all them orders out, I had that adrenaline at first. You know what I'm saying? Getting them going, but now it's just catching up with me. So I'm dragging today, y'all, but I'm gonna pick it up. We about to go get these wheels and we about to get them put on. Stay tuned. I'm in the car right now. I just picked the wheels up. I'm super excited. I ain't gonna lie, Metal Magic did a great job on them. Big shout out to y'all. I didn't have a chance to show you guys the wheels when I picked them up. I just pretty much put them in the car and jumped right back in the whip and pulled out of there. So as soon as I get back to the house, I'm gonna show y'all the wheels. I'm super happy with the final results. If y'all's in the Washington area, this is where I got my wheels fixed at. Right here, Metal Magic. Y'all see what they did to them? You probably can't even tell which one done been repaired. They did a great job. These wheels are super expensive. Y'all really don't want to know how much these wheels is from the dealership, but you can trust them with any wheel. Any wheel. This is the OEM brass monkey, only on the Hellcats. They clean the face up. I'm gonna try to get a video of before, just to show y'all before how scratched up and crazy it was. On the wheel, y'all see, has some curb rash. What you see is that brass monkey. So I'm gonna take it to the wheel shop. I'm gonna see what they can do. I don't know what happened to this wheel, but the dude that I got them from said that it was like this when he bought them. So 800 bucks. How y'all think I did? But there they go right there. Shout out to them. Alright, YouTube, so I just got the wheels back to the house. They all freshly painted. What I'm about to do right now, I'm about to pull up to the shop and just get them swapped out. It's been a super long week for me, so I really don't feel like going to buy the tools and doing all that. I'm in the apartment parking lot as well, so it's like so much that you can do. We gonna win some and lose some, y'all, until we get that garage. We grinding for it though, y'all. We grinding hard every day. Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, so the wheels are all loaded up. It's not easy trying to fit 4 of these wheels in there just because how this is angled. You're not getting 4 in there. You can get 1 flat, but get 1 on top ain't gonna happen. So we got 2 right there, 1 in the front, and we got another in the trunk. All right, YouTube, so I'm in the car right now. I'm hoping I'll be able to get these wheels put on today. The tire spot ain't look too busy, so I'm gonna pull in there and see what's going on. I got them all loaded up. It's not an easy fit trying to fit 4 wheels in this Charger. It can fit about everything else, but it can't fit 4 wheels. In this car, it's just not enough space to stack any wheels up. So I had to put them in here kind of like people. 1 wheel here, 1 wheel there, 1 wheel behind me, and 1 wheel in the trunk. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get the car washed. I'm at the automatic wash right now. I'm about to wash the car because the car can get washed, but the wheels can't.
with them just getting fresh painted. So that's the thing. I can wash the car, but I can't run the car through the car wash with the wheels on it. It's just not smart right now. I gotta wait a good month. I gotta let the paint settle in, y'all. So stay tuned. We're gonna try to get these things mounted up today. I got them all loaded up in the car, y'all. Stay tuned. Wheels before, y'all see the inside super dirty, full of brake dust. They super dirty in there, y'all. You can get the camera in there so you can see. But y'all see the wheels before. This is a good before shot. Y'all can see they're super dusty. I'm about to just clean them up a little bit. I'm about to get to work on these right now. Halfway through. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. These are the results afterwards, y'all. They stupid clean right now. They look brand new. These about to look crazy on the whip. Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, so we outside with it. I'm up here at the last swap. I'm about to get the wheels put on. It's just a wheel spot up here on the West Coast where they put on wheels and tires. That's what they specialize in. So really, just having a car like this that costs this much, I'm not about to be jacking this car up, putting the wheels on it. I'm gonna just be real with y'all. Too much room for error with somebody like me. I can see if I had a little Honda to practice on, but I'm not practicing my mechanic skills on this car. So stay tuned. We gonna get the wheels put on real quick, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the results. I'm gonna flip the camera around and also show y'all some good before shots, because it's probably the last time this car gonna have the stock wheels on it. So y'all see this what the stock wheel look like right there. They cool, but they get dirty super quick and they crazy to clean because they just shape weird. So stay tuned for what it look like when I get the brass monkeys put on there. I'm super excited, y'all. Done waited a week for the wheels to get repaired. Just went and cleaned them up. So stay tuned to see what they look like. See them looking crazy. They look so clean, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, big one. I'm gonna give y'all the full walk around. Let me give you a close up. How they looking. Y'all seen the Daytona before. What y'all think about it afterwards? Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Man, they look so clean. Look way better. Way better, man. Let me show y'all the other side. Go to the other side right here. Couldn't be happier. 4 pistons on the back. These the ones that got repainted on this side. And you can't even tell that these wheels got repainted. The whole left side was curved. Let me know what y'all think. Car dirty, but I'm gonna wash it. Alright, y'all, here go the brass monkey wheels. I turned off the tail lights too. You don't see them matte. I got the brass monkey wheels, running them now. I'm super excited with these. We'll figure I'll give y'all some more shots of the car. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm about to get that back window redone. I think it's about time to go see my dude Alex at Atomic Wraps. What y'all think? Y'all want to see some wrap in this car next? Comment down below. So far, I changed out the grill on the car. Put the brass monkey wheels. Then I tinted the back tail lights as well. So just little stuff. But if y'all want me to keep doing more mods to this car, thumbs up this video. That's how I'm gonna know that y'all want me to keep doing more mods. More thumbs up means more mods. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, I'm back at the house now. Y'all see we got those brass monkey wheels mounted up. I could not be happier with how everything turned out. And people over at Metal Magic in Tacoma took care of me. We pulled up to the car wash. We got the set that didn't get repaired cleaned up, while the set that got fresh paint on them already looking fresh. So I'm pretty much balanced, like, you know what I mean? I won't be able to wash them for a good month. I ain't gonna touch them, and that's pretty much why I decided not to even put any water on the back or anything like that. I didn't even want to risk it. It wasn't even that serious to me. Like, you know, the faces of them had fresh paint. I could roll them like that. I'm about to get these wheels and tires in the house, y'all. It's been a super long week. But hey, everything turned out how it's supposed to. Like I said, when you working with the universe gonna work in your favor. Y'all remember that. Look, until next time, I appreciate y'all rocking out with me for another vlog. Keep on baking up, staying true. I'm out of here.
Pull a Scatpack, I secure that bag, on my way to the cash. I need the racks, Smoking on niggas, how they smoking on the gas,